Meaning of held.
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 Held. The word held could have several meanings depending on the context. In general, it can mean to have or keep something in one's possession, control, or custody. It can also mean to grasp or clutch something tightly with the hands or fingers. In the past tense, held refers to a state of having been held in the past. For example, one might say I held the door open for her to describe an action that took place in the past. Overall, held is a versatile verb that can be used in a variety of situations to describe the act of possessing, controlling, or grasping something.